Yeah, like the attention, girl, I know you.
Hi, welcome back to another YouTube today. How did you get up there? It is so cute. The beginning back workout is CDL. I'm holding 83.5 kilograms with my mic.
If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a...
After warming up, I feel like energy is flowing through my body.
Oh yeah. Take you like a
Next is leopard down, and we did a close grip to activate the wing bone movement.
No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Then, for the common use of the back, we went with a wider grip. I can't do back workout well due to my weak core, so I programmed the movement that deal with the whole back. Then I hit it with details.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
And I really enjoy doing back exercise with cable these days. Next, I think cable exercise more fun because the negative of back muscle is well held.
And I feel you're like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Then I proceed with holding my warm-up dumbbell low. My focus on using my back with a light weight. It is possible to understand the back movements in various positions with my head, but it seems that it is still difficult with my body. Even in this position, my core kept loosening and my legs are not well fixed. So I think my back utilization decreased. It is still hard.
Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Hey, do you want to walk there, baby?
If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will.
Finally, back extension squeeze your lower back. It's simple and you can hit your back effectively. I recommend it later. And I'm done.
Take you like a pill.
Actually, back exercise is most fun for me. I hope my back routine is fun for you too. Subscribe and like, please. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry.